1. While you're laying in bed, are you trying to solve a Rubik's Cube and can't quite get it? Try drinking up a cup of pomegranate juice before bed.
Wow, it actually works.
2. Are you laying in bed for hours stressing over tomorrow? Try picturing a calm place before you doze off.
Oh, the beach.
3. Are you laying in bed with your mind wandering, thinking about an argument you had in 2019? Try reading a book before you go to sleep.
Oh my god, what a twist.
4. When you're trying to fall asleep, is your mind blasting rock and roll music at full volume? Try putting on some calm music in the background. 5. When you're laying in bed, does your mind reflect to that one question that you couldn't quite get on that math test and you're yelling at yourself, try and make it make sense? Try counting down from 100. 100, 99, 98, 95, 94, 86, 27, 2000. 6. Are you laying in bed drooling over the dinner plans you have for tomorrow? Try eating cherries before bed. So good.